here now at the Sibulan main library at the third floor, where, as you can see at the background, there are a lot of books being offered to our Sibulan community, especially for faculty and students. Also for the communities like our schools and many divisions of 𝗟𝗏𝗠𝗔𝗦𝗢. We have partnered with the Department of Education divisions, including our LGUs, also with the Philippine Army, to bring these books to the communities in order to be donated to other schools and LGUs or barangays. So since we've also offered this to our Sibulan community as they are the priority, these books have been already available mga 2 months because we're doing our transformation project with the main library. All 3 floors will be renovated to become state-of-the-art and up-to-date in terms of facility and spaces. But definitely rest assured, our collection is the relevant, dynamic, and of all platforms we are present. And these books are actually those of multiple copies and are also donations from different stakeholders and the alumni community of Sibulan across the world. So since we need to move out immediately, this was prioritized and we called the help of everyone. That's why there's so many students and schools that are here just to bring these books directly to their schools, especially in the mountains. But we have here one student with us. Please give your name and from what college and what year.
My name is 𝗟𝗏𝗕𝗥𝗢. I'm from the College of Business Administration. I'm currently taking BSBA, major in Operations Management, second year.
Yeah. Is this your first time to be here and get books, or you've been here already yesterday?
Actually, I've been here yesterday.
Oh, that's very good.
It's my second round here.
How did you know about this program with the Sibulan Main Library?
I've been here for a while, and many of my friends mentioned it in the messenger and in chat. They were talking like, hey, there are free books around, and I saw a post on Facebook from a certain teacher saying that there are free books. We're donating. Sibulan University Library is donating books, so we decided, my friends and I decided, okay, let's stop by and make it.
So, how did you find this so far? Did you find the books that you're interested in?
Actually, I'm surprised that I found some books that I'm interested in.
Can you name some of these choices that you got?
Genres mostly are like novels and
yeah, we have a lot of novels.
From Reader's Digest.
Reader's Digest.
And I've also discovered some business books as well, since I'm a business student, so I find it practical to like I'll play those books and I found a lot of interesting books as well regarding history, which I also like history, so I also got one history book. So I hope more students or even people outside the Sibulan community who might visit this.
Alright, that's it. So we'll be finding more students and talk to them about their experience in finding books here at the Sibulan Main Library. So many other schools and divisions here at Sibulan Library now because of this program of donation of books to communities. We've accommodated actually since we started within January up to February, already 40 schools, and the number is growing so that the bearer of all these blessings to our communities, barangays, and even to our schools. So we have here a school from Guihulngan City, from St. Francis College. Good morning, ma'am. Please state your name, and we have here also another from St. Francis College as well.
𝗟𝗏𝗕𝗥𝗢 from St. Francis College and
Okay. Karon lang mo niabot, ma'am, to choose the books. Okay. So, kumusta ang inyong pagpangita? Dagan na ba mong nakitaan? Mga dapat mapilian ng mga books untay ng mga science.
Magamit ko lang sa school.
Unsa pa yung mga subjects? Ay ka college man mo na.
Sa STEM.
Sa STEM.
Senior.
So far, how many na inyong nakitaan?
Nato, gitapos.
Mga pila ka book na.
Sa bay-bay na ito.
Bay-bay. You find this as very helpful or beneficial?
Big help with searching.
Big help?
Oo. Okay. Kasi makatabang sa mga sila. Hindi na mag-research sila.
So thank you so much. Hopefully, I'll not hold you long. Kaya ganahan ko, makakita ko more books. Kaya kita sa atong backyard. So many other schools here and students because we've accommodated students of Sibulan University. So ma'am, enjoy your choosing more books for our community. Another recipient, beneficiary for our SU Libro program at the Sibulan Main Library. I'd like to reiterate again, these books are donations from our alumni community, and this is not part of our active collection, although we already have pre-selected the books that we need to be part of the active collection. And many of these are also mga duplicate copies already of our active collection. So we decided, because there was an urgency already of the transformation, we will have 1 year reconstruction of the entire building. That's why kailangan ma-expedite ang atong pag-donate of books. But definitely, SU Libro program has been there already since 2015, around 2015. But since we need to vacate the building within 2 weeks, that we invited many other schools to join our Sibulan students and faculty in choosing books. We have here a school from Asaman mo, ma'am?
From 𝗟𝗜𝗕𝗥𝗢 High School.
This is in
Siaton.
Siaton.
Ma'am 𝗟𝗫𝗕𝗥𝗢 and Ma'am 𝗟𝗏𝗠𝗔𝗡𝗏.
Swani, you are ano ma'am? Librarian or librarian in
We are
charge?
senior high school.
Senior high school teacher. So this is your first day in choosing books here, or you've been here already before?
Actually, yesterday na ako diri.
Okay.
It's my first day.
This is my first day. So far ma'am, I'd like to ask you first, kumusta ang atong pagpili ng mga libro?
Okay kayo, sir. Kanang mura po kong na-explore. Mura po kong
Yeah.
kanang na mga books na very informative.
Yeah, definitely. So what are the fields of book you're interested in?
Personality and the value of teaching.
But do you need mga mathematics,
Yes, sir.
books,
Especially
science,
statistics,
right?
science.
Medyo magulo na tayo ngayon. Because we removed already our mga shelves because we are moving out of the Sibulan and Guihulngan.
Yeah, so I was amazed na nakita ko daghan kay books, then it really helps us teachers, especially in deaf ed, because sometimes we lack of books. Then,
Especially in
yeah.
Your school, naamoy ka ng library pod. Okay, I believe some others are very manang wala pa gid sila kasugod for their library, no? How about sa inyo, ma'am? The same school man mo, no?
Naami, sir, pero gamay na ko.
Kamay pang collection.
Okay, sa para na.
So we also are very thankful because most of the schools responded. There were already 40 schools in queue because they're always returning to get some more. And we thank also the divisions, even as far as Siquijor and also Negros Occidental Oriental Division, Dumaguete Division, Guihulngan Division, and even LGU of Canlaon together with LGU Canlaon, because they're establishing as well a public library for the LGU of Canlaon. Tamang-tama kay humana ilang building, and that's the time now nga na-focus ng mga books. So ma'am, what else do you need? Pangawa pa ninyo ng nakitida?
I think we need more about literature.
Literature. Definitely, I'm sure daghan pag yun, no? Okay, most of the books here are into literature, novels, history, so okay good tayo. But not part of this donation ang mga Filipiniana. So sometimes, namin makita nga mga Filipiniana nga mga materials, we pull out those materials. And also at the exit, gina-check po nila ang mga titles of the books being brought out to Sibulan University. So, we'd like to say any message to our Sibulan administration with regards to your pag-ani ng mga books.
We are so very thankful for having this opportunity because it really gives a big help with our learners.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sibulan, for this wonderful opportunity. I hope that you will continue to also help maybe other years. It's a great opportunity for us.
So we are also very thankful because we are only instruments in what we're doing as well. These are also donations from our generous alumni and friends all over the world. So we are all bearers of these blessings to our community. Thank you so much. Another group of Cinemaniacs here. I think galing pa ni sila sa ilang PT classes or going to PIPA. Yeah, they've been to our next library for 1 year because the 𝗟𝗨𝗠𝗔𝗦𝗢 shared now with the Sibulan library. We had an agreement, a good agreement with the PE department with regards to our stay of Sibulan library to the gymnasium. So we'd like to ask your names first and courses and year. So we'll start with you.
Hi, my name is 𝗟𝗨𝗠𝗔𝗡𝗥𝗢. I'm a second-year student taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Social Studies.
Lancer tahan.
So hi, I am 𝗟𝗨𝗠𝗔𝗢𝗢, BSS student. I'm majoring also in social studies and secondary.
Hello, my name is 𝗟𝗏𝗪𝗚, second year taking up BSCB major in Social Studies.
Hi everyone, I am 𝗟𝗏𝗪𝗚. I am also a second year student, major in social studies.
Alright, I saw one of the choices here, financial theory and corporate policy. So, this is your first time to choose books na, Karon? Or all of you? Or other days already? First time. So, how do you find your being here na po? Karon na bang init ba? Is it enjoyable?
Yeah, actually, we're not expecting the 𝗟𝗏𝗪𝗚 ng tao because we've been here, we've been trying to enter the library since I think Monday, wala dyan may kasunod din ng tao. Karon since picking up lugar dyan sa iyo.
Alright. So, that's because there were so many requests of all the Sibulan community to be here at the third floor of the Sibulan library. But we have a number we need to follow, especially that this is a small area for everyone to come in. So, pwede na, ginapasa ka na. So, what are your choices of books, man? What did you find, man? Mga genre? What are your interests?
For now, for us, especially we're education students, we're hoping na makita niyo mga teacher's guide and books that are related also with our majors, especially in social studies, in economics, and in geography.
How about you? Did you find any na more medyo personal interest lang? Like probably did you get novels or literature? So what are your choices, man? What did you find, man?
I found this one, Climate and Affairs of America.
Wow.
It's more about geography of countries,
Countries.
different climates.
Then what else, man?
Then the America,
Oh,
the Americana. This book,
history ba?
yeah, history of
Wow.
countries, economics, and entrepreneurship.
Anong mga nahanap mo? What are your choices?
Personal choice.
Well, I like that.
Alcohol, the delightful poison, a history by Alice Fleming, and it is rather a gift from God or an instrument of the evil. So I am
Imagine,
interested.
alcohol. This is very pandemic times. And we found this treasure here, right? So, we'd like to know about the history of alcohol. No? How about you?
This is a teacher's guide about social science laboratory unit. So very connected with our major.
So, teacher's guide. Meron palang mga ganito dito sa ating mga materials. And the best thing about this is once in a lifetime or historical aspect. Because I remember when I was in elementary, there was a similar scenario of buying books naman from the 𝗟𝗏𝗪𝗚 Hall, because the 𝗟𝗏𝗪𝗚 Hall was the original. Not really the original, but before we went into Sibulan main library building here. The library was at the 𝗟𝗏𝗪𝗚 Hall, and probably at 7 years old, 8 years old, I remember myself being there, lining up to buy books at 1 peso, 25 centavo. But this time, this is historical. thousands of books being given out to our Sibulan community, and I'm sure this is one that will define your badge na nakasulay mo na to be at the main library and to choose books for yourself. So any message to our Sibulan administration with regards to you being students and having the chance to choose books?
So this is a answer like an opportunity for students who are they're giving the books for free and who are dito mabuhay sa importante ang books and you can learn lots of diri sa then makakita po tayo like mag-roam around sa library.
Yeah, exactly. The library will be undergoing transformation, and these are duplicate copies and donations from alumni from across the years. So karon gidalian na to ang pag move out sa library because of the renovation. That is why we invited students and the community to join us in choosing books and being this as gifts to them in terms of knowledge and learning.